Well, he bataka make. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we're going to bring on another reason on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and, of course, let your voice be heard. Like and share the video, and yes, drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. No Nation, farmer supporters, well-wishers, and even farmer donors, yes, individuals who have donated to the Tucker family, have stepped forward to expose the Tucker family. And even after going live to express or to explain his side as to what is taking place with people who have contributed to him and his family and who now have negative things to say. But it seems as if the people's disappointment and anger was something that could not be contained. I'm going to say what I go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Try to read the comments.
So me not have to go much. You understand me? So, you understand me? Turn out the comment section. The cash up and all those information are gonna come off. You understand me? You feel comfortable, Delano?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. You can't turn up, Dora. So just cool up on the negative thing in the comment section, please.
Boy, I'm not telling a lie. I know say stable and ungrateful and bad mind. I know they are Jamaica, I know, but I never know say they are Jamaica so much. Like, look how Alex is 17 years old and look how them a fight against him. They literally a tear him down. You understand me? And I see the person street driven or whatever them one name, or they put out the video about the Tucker's family. Me see him do one interview with the family, right? Delano and his mama. And number one, that video they should have never done in the first place. You understand me? Because you understand, say, is you made the video, you put out the video to the world. And the world never see the video. The world literally never see the video until Alex highlighted the video. You understand me? Alex are the one who highlighted. Alex are the one who made the video even go viral. Because after you put out the video never go viral until Alex take it up on him head with enough self. But more the same enough place when you have a good heart and you try help people, this is how them tear you down. Because number one, me know say when that video go viral, Alex are the first person make you get a package of food. Come at your yard in hours and nights. Come give you the bag with the food and give you the long receipt. Alex, I remember seeing that video and one just had tear him down. So the government come on board. Before they come on board and say, yo, we could work together and build a house give the family. Build a blood clot mansion give the family. Them could have come together and work with the boy now. Little 17-year-old, him will need help himself. Him put him wants and needs aside. But just to help a person. So, them can't tear him down. But you see, when time we done, I don't have no sense, and we don't have a fucking education, we are going to listen what people say. We are going to make them coach we are going to make them tell we what to come and say. That's the woman do, you know. But guess what? I not wish bad for people. Like, I literally never wish bad for people. But I'm tell you something. You think you eat garlic and where's something name? Garlic and something there. And onion yet, you don't have enough more to go eat. Here, never you be ungrateful. Never you buy the hands will feed you. Don't to a dog better than uno. Don't to a fucking dog. Cause dog not really ungrateful. Dog not really buy the hands will feed them. Them always remember where them a come from. Remember that. But you see, uno tear down Alex, but I tell you something. Alex heart, him do it from here so. And him heart good and pure, no fuck. We could come together and help Alex. I know enough people draw back them donation from Uno. Wish I don't wrong them one fuck. But guess what? I wish you all the best. Uno come off Alex name now and stop tear down the little 17-year-old name. Uno come off him name now. Give him fucking name Maris now.
Yes, Nation, and now let's continue the reasoning. Well, first and foremost, as I said, this might be a situation blown out of proportion. There is, however, a situation I take place where after individuals attain what is called social media fame. Means that they must see them picture up on the vlogs, they must see them picture up on the different news and media outlets. It's almost as if some individuals feel as if they have attained some level of stardom. And if I'm going to use the notoriety and the publicity for then do something creative and show them that they have some kind of entertaining talent, well, that is different. But supporters of the family have said that it reached the point where no gratitude is being shown when people go out of them way for sure their support for individuals who them don't know from nowhere. And just over this the media, them see the situation and decide to say, yo, them in a position where them can help. And they have decided to do so. The female visit what there, and you know what I mean, wherever she did bring her, whatever the case was. And the fact that some people are saying that the family refused to even acknowledge her presence certain way. Well, not all the members of the family, but some would say Delano himself. Keep in mind, he's a youth though, and this whole thing has turned into a frenzy. But some are saying that this might have been the reason why, when everybody that say everything about him friend, his mother say him know from school days, was a basic school. When the people them found out and everybody that have something negative to say, and they must say, yo, this are going with the money and that are going with the money. Some people they feel like say, yo, Delano should be the first person. We're out there in defense of Alex. And I said, no, I'm a virgin, he wouldn't do that. I help him, I try to help out the situation. You see me? That was never his aim or his intentions. And I guess that's a way both Alex and his mother feel a way about. She say, you know, there was never even any campaign by the family to defend Alex and what take place. Even if it was individuals that go up there and I try to stir up controversy by asking controversial questions to which she wouldn't can answer. Think about it. If somebody I give somebody something to give you, you would know how much is supposed to be there. You know what I mean? You have no expectations. And remember, individuals could have also chosen to contribute directly to the family, which is what some have now decided to do. Some people go out of their way to even visit the family directly. And that is why when the footage was seen, and people are saying it seemed ungrateful for real. It is almost as if the family act as if these things are owed to them. And we have seen these situations in different accounts. Remember, it is not far-fetched. Yes, the funds are forward in and funds are siphoned off. But due to the nature of what take place and the fact that this was a good deed being done by one friend to another friend, we get blown way out of proportion to reach a point like this. So talk to me in the comment section, nation. I don't know if you feel like saying Delano as a youth is just caught up in the whole frenzy of this being a media situation. If him used to just walk through him community and yeah, people know him, but you know what I mean, nobody not necessarily look upon him or call to him or hail him. That might have changed. And maybe he was caught up in the whole vibe of what take place. Popularity can do a whole heap of different things too. Different people. I mean, so I never feel like that take place. You know, just caught up in all of what going on and, you know, just that mindset of stardom has kicked in. I feel like people just take small situations and simple gestures and I turn them into something major. Talk to him, tell me how you feel. Comment section 24/7. Well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, the like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion in the comment section 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now you know the sentiments, and for those who don't, wait, yeah man, I move settings fam. I know we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course we wanna live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again, of course, stay tuned, share the video, like the video, drop your comment in the comment section.